So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can back up on the iCloud with unlimited free storage if you are trying to transfer your iPhone or switching to the new one. Now if you don't know, Apple provides you with this facility. If you are trying to switch to any other iPhone, you'll definitely upload a backup as much as storage you want, and it will not cause any problem for you. But there's a cache, it will available only for 21 days, the unlimited storage, and it will erase off after that. That's enough time to switch to any other iPhone, or if you are updating your phone. Now in order to do it, just simply open the settings. In the settings, go to general, and here when you scroll down, you'll see this option of transfer or reset iPhone. When you go over there, here you'll see this option of prepare for new iPhone. So just simply hit get started, and here you'll see this option of extra iCloud storage to move apps and data. And here you'll see you are eligible as much as free iCloud storage as you need to move your apps to the data to your new iPhone. So just simply hit continue and back up all your phone's data with unlimited storage on iCloud. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.